Ever found yourself juggling multiple business entities, each with its own set of books, yet longing for a unified view of your financial health? If that resonates, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into a powerful NetSuite feature designed to streamline exactly that: setting up subsidiaries. Think of your business as a growing family tree. The main trunk is your parent company, and as you expand, new branches sprout. These are your subsidiaries. Each subsidiary operates somewhat independently, perhaps in different geographical locations, dealing with distinct currencies, or focusing on specific product lines. However, at the top, you need a clear, consolidated picture of how the entire family is doing. NetSuite's subsidiary management allows you to achieve this intricate balance. Before we jump into the how-to, let's understand the why. Why bother setting up subsidiaries in NetSuite? Well, the benefits are manifold. Firstly, it provides a centralized platform for managing the financials of all your entities. No more hopping between disparate systems or wrestling with complex spreadsheets to consolidate data. NetSuite does the heavy lifting for you, offering real-time visibility into the performance of each subsidiary and the consolidated whole. Secondly, it ensures compliance. Different subsidiaries might operate under varying regulatory frameworks and accounting standards. NetSuite allows you to configure each subsidiary with its specific requirements, ensuring accurate reporting and adherence to local laws. This drastically reduces the risk of errors and penalties. Thirdly, it enhances efficiency. By centralizing processes like intercompany transactions, reporting, and even user access, you eliminate redundancies and streamline workflows. Imagine effortlessly processing sales between your US and UK branches or generating a consolidated income statement with a few clicks. That's the power of NetSuite subsidiaries. Finally, it facilitates better decision-making. With a clear and consolidated view of your entire organization, you gain invaluable insights into which subsidiaries are performing well, where resources are best allocated, and potential areas for improvement across the board. This empowers you to make informed strategic decisions that drive overall growth. Now that we understand the why, let's get into the what. What information do you need to have ready before you start setting up subsidiaries in NetSuite? Preparation is key to a smooth and efficient process. First, you'll need the legal name and address of each subsidiary. This seems obvious, but accuracy is crucial for legal and tax purposes. Next, determine the parent-subsidiary relationship. Who owns whom? What is the hierarchy? NetSuite allows for complex structures with multiple tiers of subsidiaries, so mapping this out beforehand is essential. Then comes the crucial aspect of currency. What is the base currency for each subsidiary? This will impact all financial transactions and reporting for that entity. You'll also need to define the tax nexus for each subsidiary. Where are they legally obligated to pay taxes? This information is vital for accurate tax calculations and reporting within NetSuite. Consider the accounting period and fiscal year for each subsidiary. While often the same as the parent company, some subsidiaries might operate on different cycles. Think about any specific accounting preferences or localizations required for each subsidiary. This might include specific chart of account structures, numbering conventions, or reporting formats. Finally, decide on the level of intercompany transaction management you'll need. Will subsidiaries frequently buy and sell goods or services from each other? If so, you'll need to configure intercompany elimination rules and potentially intercompany accounts. With this information in hand, you're well prepared to navigate the setup process in NetSuite. While the exact steps might vary slightly depending on your NetSuite version and configuration, the general process involves navigating to setup, company, subsidiaries, new. Here, you'll be presented with a form where you'll input all the information we just discussed. The legal name, parent company, if applicable, base currency, tax nexus, and more. Pay close attention to each field and ensure accuracy. One key area to consider is the elimination subsidiary. This is a special subsidiary you'll create to eliminate intercompany transactions when consolidating your financial statements. This prevents double counting of revenue and expenses within the consolidated view. As you create each subsidiary, you'll have the option to configure various settings specific to that entity, such as address details, contact information, and even a custom logo that will appear on printed documents. Once you've created all your subsidiaries, you'll need to define the intercompany relationships. This involves specifying which subsidiaries are related and how intercompany transactions should be handled. NetSuite offers various options for automating the creation of intercompany sales orders, purchase orders, and transfer orders, significantly simplifying these processes. User access is another critical aspect. You'll need to define which users have access to which subsidiaries and what level of permissions they have within each. NetSuite's robust role-based permissions allow you to granularly control access to sensitive financial data. After setting up your subsidiaries and defining the relationships, the real magic happens during consolidation. NetSuite allows you to generate consolidated financial statements at various levels for the entire organization, for specific groups of subsidiaries, or even just for the parent company. You can choose the consolidation currency and specify the exchange rates to be used for currency conversions. NetSuite's consolidation engine automatically handles the complexities of currency translation, intercompany eliminations, and minority interests, providing you with accurate and timely consolidated financial reports. This gives you a true bird's-eye view of your organization's financial performance. Setting up subsidiaries in NetSuite is a powerful step towards efficient and insightful financial management for multi-entity organizations. While it might seem a bit involved initially, the long-term benefits in terms of streamlined processes, improved compliance, and enhanced decision-making are well worth the effort. By taking the time to plan and gather the necessary information beforehand, you can ensure a smooth and successful implementation. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.